Hey everyone, how is it going? And today here we are on Lead Code with another problem that is binary tree right side view. So we are given a binary tree and we just need to return the right side view of that binary tree. So for the right side of a binary tree, whatever if we have a binary tree and we stand in the right side of it and try to see it, then whichever nodes we will see first, that will be the right side view of the binary tree. So uh, to solve this problem, what we will do, we will just do traversal and we'll traverse each node level wise. So for level one, whichever the last node will be there, we'll just insert into a vector and we'll go to the next level, and then we will do the same. We'll traverse all the nodes, and whichever will be the last, we'll put it into a vector and then return. And again, we'll just go to the next level and do the same. So let us start. And first of all, what to do this, we need a queue of integer type. So no, queue of tree node type, where we will store all of our tree nodes and traverse them. So let us name it as queue itself. Then we will just insert queue dot push the root value inside the queue. Also, to return the answer, we need a vector of integers. So let us make it as answer. Now for traversing it, we will have a condition while that queue is not empty. So while queue is not empty, we'll be traversing the queue. So what we will do here is we will take out the size of the queue. So for this size will be for each level. So we'll store it in a variable size. So once we have taken out the size of the queue, means we have got the queue size for that level, and we will just traverse it for int I equals to 0, I less than size I plus plus. So we'll traverse all the nodes in that level, and if so, what we need to do here is we need to take out the first node from the queue. So let us name first node, and let us take out the front value from queue. Let us pop it also. Whatever value we the queue whatever we value is in the front of the queue, we took it out. And now we'll perform some operations. We'll just see whether I is equals to size minus 1, means if it is the last value of that level or not. If it is the last value, then what we will do is answer dot push back nodes that nodes value. And if this is not the case, then it is just a normal node. And what we will do, we will just see whether its left child is null or not. If left child is not null, then we will insert it into our queue. So queue dot push dot push node left. And the same case for the right node as well. So if right node is not null, then we will just push it into our queue. And that's it. At the end, we will just return the answer. So let us just traverse this for better understanding. So first of all, we had only one inside our queue. So the size was one, and then we traversed from zero to size one, and we saw that if size is I is equals to size minus one, then we just pushed it, since it is the last node of this level, so we just pushed it back to our answer, and we saw that its left is not null and right is also not null, so we pushed these two also in our queue. Now again we went so we went this loop finished, and we just went again because queue is not empty, and we took out the size. Now the size is 2, and then we just did the process again. Now for this I equals to 0, this is not equals to size minus 1, that is 1. So we just pushed its children into the queue, and we did the process again for this loop, and now the size became 1, and which is equals to 1. So we'll just push it into our since it is the last value of this level, we'll push it into our answer vector, and we'll push its child also. So this way we are going to traverse it, and we'll just push the last values of a level into our answer vector, and at the end we will just return the answer vector. So let us run our code. Let us submit also. So we did not handle a case where root is equals to null. Then we need to return an empty vector. Let us submit again. So if you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a better solution or better suggestion, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.